I will brief you on these operations which were conducted over the past couple of days in the Tangdhar sector, in which 5 terrorists have been eliminated. We had credible intelligence inputs that there is likely to be an infiltration in this sector, because of which we had placed a number of our interception groups to trap these terrorists. On the night of 24th of May, we saw an infiltrating column through the surveillance devices coming into the icy and snowbound heights of the Tangdhar sector. On the night of 25th, 26th May, these terrorists walked into the interception nets which had been and the ambushes which had been placed. There was a fierce gunfight at two locations. The terrorists had split into two groups, and over the next few hours, in the early morning hours of 26th of May, 5 terrorists were eliminated.